ladies and gentlemen, the point of this video is not to show off my beautiful RX-7. But it's basically to point out how 3D printed objects, when you use just regular filament, how they cannot handle the heat. Alright, so I've got a customized interior which I have built myself, and I've got a custom stereo with a Bluetooth connection. So I'll try to find a picture of this when I installed it, but it was perfect. So what I'm referring to is this plate, which, as you see, I customized, and I had my little Bluetooth connector hooked in like this. I'm sure I've got some pictures. I can't imagine I installed this without taking pictures. And I've got a bezel there, see, to make it look perfect. But check that out. And of course it fit perfectly because I measured that with some little very accurate measuring instrument. So that's it. I'm going to move to the carbon fiber filament and see how that works. So you see that. So basically that was in the car for a couple of weeks. Well, I may have it covered up like that, but I don't think that matters. I think it's the heat, but the sun certainly doesn't help. So anyway, people, if you plan on doing any 3D printing for the interior of your vehicle, then you may think about switching up to some different type of filament, and I will do some homework. And actually, how about this? I will do some homework, I'll post this video, then I will build another one of those with carbon fiber filament, leave it out in the sun and see what happens. And I will return. Bye.